What's up, guys? This is TNT Barbecue. What I got for you is some spare ribs, okay? So I'm gonna be doing a company cut on these spare ribs, and I'm gonna be seasoning them with a couple different ingredients I got. So what I'm gonna do is get to trim these spare ribs and go up here and check out my boy Rick with Meat Stall. That's how I learned about the company cut spare ribs. So my boy Rick over at the Meat Stall, he's gonna be right here. Go over to the channel, say TNT Sancha. Check out his videos. He got a lot of good videos out there. Okay, so let's come on in, and I'm gonna show you how to trim these St. Louis style spare ribs. So we're gonna do these company cut, okay? So I'm gonna put this bad baby over here and pull over here. We're gonna do company cut, okay? So what we do with the company cut, we get a knife, and I should have got a bigger knife, but that's okay. But basically, we just go right, make a line right here, okay? It's not like St. Louis now, because St. Louis you want to cut even. This is more of a round cut. I'm gonna cook that, and you want to go around. So you still got the tips to them. And that's how you want to go around. So that's it right there. And then you want to go. You know, you still want to take off a little bit of that fat right there, okay? So I like taking off a little bit of fat right there. That's gonna burn. And you want to flip it over. Take this right here off. Okay. So you got that. So we're gonna do the other one. Well, we'll do this one on camera too, so you can see what I'm doing, okay? So we're just gonna flip this around. We're gonna come around here. Take the breastbone off. And see, that's almost company cut right there. I want to just go, just a little of that skirt meat off right there. What we want to call it. And then you want to go right here. That's already done. So I'm gonna go ahead. I leave my membrane on. I like the membrane. I know it's weird, but you know, I like the membrane on. So there you go right there. So I'm gonna go off camera and change gloves. I'm gonna go ahead and get the seasoning, okay? She don't really put extra virgin olive oil. Get that on there real good. All right, so I get it real seasoned pretty good, guys. I don't want to over salt it, but I want to make sure it got good flavor. You could just substitute this with kosher salt, but like I say, I like going regular seasonal. I think I got that real good. So I want to go over with the just a little tiny bite, not much at all. Sometimes I know you got to squeeze the black pepper on. Then I want to go with a little onion, so I'm done with the season, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pat those in. Pat them in, guys. Pat them in, pat them in. Okay. Bam! There you go. I'm sorry, guys, but them look outstanding. They look like my mama's on. All right, guys, we out here at the Weber Kettle Grill. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get one of these raw oaks. I got lump charcoal in that thing. And I'm gonna get 2 of these raw oaks. And what I'm gonna do to the raw oak, I'm gonna go ahead and use a tumbleweed. So I'm gonna get this tumbleweed right here. I'm gonna start at one corner. Set the pecan up like this right here. So that's what we're gonna do. So we got, all right, that's what we rolling with. Peace. That's what we'll do a real rack. Okay. So we got the ribs on, guys. I'm finna straighten them out a little bit. Make sure they fitting good in this rib rack. I don't really like using rib racks, but I don't want to fire it on my big grill, so there we go. So but I think we're gonna let it go about 265, 270 degrees for 3 hours, get a good smoke on it, and then after 3 hours, we gonna wrap them in some butcher paper, okay? TNT, baby. Pecan wood. So I wanna, we got good color. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna rotate these ribs, okay? So, make sure everything get good color. Everything get cooked to the best of its ability. So that's what I'm doing. All right, it's TNT, baby. All right, guys, I think these ribs have got enough smoke. I'm finna go ahead and take them off and wrap them in butcher's papers, okay? So I got that one wrapped. So I want to show you how to wrap this, guys, okay? All right, so I got the peach butcher paper, okay? Right here, guys, meat side down, okay? 1, 2, then fold up right here, okay? Look, fold it in right here. This ain't the trick, guys. So now, this is the trick right here. This is how we're gonna do it, okay? This is the secret. saturate that paper. Everything turn out better. So yeah, we're gonna put this on the grill piece, guys. So that's the trick from TNT. Try to keep away from them hot coals. Put these right here. Opposite of hot coals, put the lid over here. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna let it go for probably 2 to 3 hours, no, about an hour and a half. About an hour, we're gonna check them, and then we'll bring in and cut them and see how tender they are. TNT barbecue, guys. Peace. Kind of where, you know, you see it there, how it bends like that. You got that flexibility. You know, that's how I like my ribs. I don't want them fall the bone, okay? So we'll bring them in and let them rest, all right? All right, let's recap what we did. We seasoned it with some seasoned salt, seasoned all, some onion, granulated onion, some red pepper flake, some black pepper, basic savory rub. And I just finished it off with some barbecue sauce, because we like barbecue sauce around here, guys. Look at that rib right there, okay? So what I'm gonna do, we smoked it with some pecan wood and lump charcoal on the Weber 22-inch Weber grill. So that's it. It wasn't nothing hard. We used rib racks, and that's what we did. So I'm gonna bring you in and let you see me cut these ribs. All right, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip these ribs over, and we're gonna cut them, okay? So I'm gonna move this rib over here, and I think I'm gonna cut the small rib first. Cut them over here. We're just gonna cut down right here. Good cuts. Flip them over. Let everybody see that smoke ring? I hope the camera can pick up the smoke ring, can't he? Look at that. Look at the juiciness of the rib. Can you pick up the juiciness? Come on, good juices. All right, so we're gonna zoom out and we're gonna go for a taste test, okay? All right, guys, we're gonna taste test now, okay? So, juicy, nice smoke ring. I'm about to see how these ribs taste. That's real. Smoky, salty, get all the flavor. I love that rib. Now, this was simple, guys. You can make your own, but I tell you what, guys, this is a home run. I want to say thank you, Mama, for teaching me how to cook. I want to say God bless you, God bless America. This is TNT Barbecue with a Southern explosive taste. Peace.